The automaker's stock fell 45% in 2022 after rising nearly 50% in 2021 and a staggering 743% the year before. The stock price has been under intense market pressure due to several unrelated factors to test its performance, but has contributed to the company's share price decline. Tesla has experienced rising and falling tendencies, as any stock would. You clicked, I'm sure, because you want to know more about the company's future and, more importantly, whether or not Warren Buffett's close friend and all-knowing 90-year-old vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, Charlie Munger, thinks the stock is ready for investors to buy now, or if they should wait, given the stock's perceived weakening. So after the CPI indicated hints of easy inflation, keep watching, hit that like button, and subscribe. Charlie Munger expressed his optimism about Tesla as a company, saying that it exceeds expectations in a recent interview with CNBC Billing Investor. Tesla was praised for its impressive achievements in the electric vehicle industry and rapid growth. Tesla stock rose by nearly as much as the Nasdaq did in that session. However, the company has yet to capitalize on this game. This is because Elon Musk's ongoing issues with Twitter detract from Tesla's strong growth story and performance. Despite his misgivings, Charlie Munger recently hailed Elon Musk's Tesla as an incredible achievement in the American auto sector. As of January 2022, with a market valuation of more than $600 billion, Tesla has grown to be among the most valuable firms in the world. During that period, Tesla produced 1.91 million cars. The company produced 386,759 cars in the first 2 quarters of 2021 and 340,300 cars in the third quarter of 2022, which is nearly the same amount. During this time, the carmaker's quarterly revenue increased by 55.95% to $21.454 billion for the September quarter. Munger stated that Tesla's revenue was close to $75 billion, which represented a 59.8% rise over the same period previous year. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has made major contributions to society. He has stated publicly that the auto industry's success is a small miracle because there hasn't been a successful new auto firm in a long time. Charlie Munger continues to have a strong track record as an investor. The investor expert warned that the economy was in danger at the Daily Journal's annual meeting earlier this year because some people lived in cool, wretched accesses. In addition, Munger added that there was a negative correlation between venture capital and other forms of private equity. PlayStop, these excesses were also significantly influenced by the state of the Bitcoin markets at the time. According to the 12-month percentage change in the Consumer Price Index, he continued, inflation is rising at an alarming rate worldwide as prices continue to rise across a range of spending categories, with most people finding they're spending more in commodities than they were a year ago. In October of this year, the Federal Reserve raised its benchmark interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, marking the third significant increase in a row, and the Fed rate now stands at 3.25. With the Twitter deal and other factors weighing down on the stock, Tesla's current market cap is below 200. Morgan Stanley, an investment firm, recently released a note regarding Tesla in which it stated that while Musk's ownership of Twitter may affect the sentiments of some consumers, any resulting weakness in Tesla shares may present an opportunity for investors. Although it may be impossible to quantify any potential impacts this may have on Tesla shares, Morgan Stanley claims that the high valuation of Tesla shares is primarily due to investors' confidence and their ability to model the economic outlook for the company's core energy storage and electric vehicle businesses, which are supported by a favorable economic backdrop. Many investors share this worry, which has lately been put to the test, according to the research, which stated that Tesla has strong fundamentals regarding vehicle manufacturing, delivery rates, and earnings technology. Revenue, profit, margins, and other factors are important, but the company's stock has recently been trading below 200, so it's unclear when it will be able to reach new heights. While Tesla is highly vertically integrated, it still depends on a number of commercial partnerships for investor confidence and the availability of capital, which could have a negative impact on the automaker's relationships with government agencies and the general public's perception of the company. Morgan Stanley noted this possibility in their research notes that public backing for the time being. Tesla will need to maintain its strong ties with the investment community if it is to achieve the growth predicted by its $600 billion market cap. Although it primarily relies on internal funding, Tesla needs close cooperation with sovereign entities, primarily in the United States and China, to industrialize renewable ecosystems and onshore battery development. Furthermore, the investment fund offered a bear case for the price of the Tesla stock at $150. It was stated that Tesla would seize any chance to cut car prices in the future by cutting its production costs. Concerns about sentiment and the slowing demand for EVs, particularly in China, could cause Tesla to test its $150 bear case before the year is out. For a self-funded top-line grower like Tesla that is in a prime position to benefit from the re-architecting of the U.S. renewable supply chain at scale, Morgan Stanley also believes that Tesla may continue to cut car prices. It stated that its China team had begun on the recent significant price cuts in that market, and in response to this, it expects price cuts to follow in Europe as Tesla's Giga Berlin begins to surpass production of 5,000 units per week. According to Morgan Stanley's 2025 market share and profitability prediction, Tesla stock might trade at roughly 12.5 times EV per EBITDA, or earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, and 23 times P. In addition to capturing a sizable share of the quickly expanding electric vehicle market, Tesla is devising strategies to efficiently handle the demand. The company has already acknowledged that, on average, the parts and assembly of its cars cost roughly $36,000, while the cars themselves sell for roughly $10,000 or more. Recently, the automaker lowered the weekly wait times for all of its Model 3 and Model Y vehicles to a minimum of 1 week. This is fantastic news for Tesla enthusiasts, as the wait times have negatively impacted sales. It is anticipated that the Tesla-designed robo-taxi would have a number of excellent characteristics. The vehicle will be designed for multiple purposes and provide great comfort for its occupants. Not just Tesla fanatics might find this idea exciting. Anyone who appreciates cutting-edge innovation could find it intriguing. Elon, the CEO of the firm, understood that although renewable energy sources like solar and wind could help with clean transportation, the project's large battery requirements would be difficult. Tesla will surpass its competitors significantly if it manages to solve the puzzle of renewable energy. This, together with the fact that robo-methods are designed to offer the lowest cost per mile of transportation, yet encountered, may establish them as the next big thing in commercial transportation. Considering the company's undoubtedly well-established reputation in the sector and its apparent ability to hold its current market leadership for some time, purchasing growth stocks like Tesla could be a wise retirement strategy for 2027. A common goal is to enjoy retirement free from financial worries. In Q1 2022, Tesla reported a net profit of $3.29 billion, demonstrating that not only is the company leading the electric vehicle EV market, but it is also progressively growing into the world's largest automobile manufacturer. What do you think of Charlie Munger's claims regarding Tesla? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you liked the video and found it helpful. We'll see you in the next one.